this is going to be the Rndr calm before the storm, and pay attention right now, because this next Rndr move will surprise a lot of people off guard. We need to be talking about that exactly, an upcoming news event which is going to be extremely important about the longer term price prediction and how absolutely parabolic Rndr can actually go. So definitely make sure to watch this video through the end, make sure to push up the like button, and as always, let's have a look at why you should be paying attention in towards Rndr right now. Now, first of all, before going in towards that, I've literally been saying more than 1 year ago that Rndr should be a top 30 altcoin and even it should be a top 20 altcoin, and literally this was back when Rndr was actually a top 100 altcoin. So yeah, I've been actually pretty right about the prediction for Rndr. I am one of the biggest bulls on Rndr, but right now should be the time to be paying attention because we have been nailing this chart absolutely perfectly, but right now Rndr is creating some kind of consolidation where in my opinion we are going to be seeing a massive breakout anytime soon off. Bitcoin is creating this symmetrical triangle right now, and in a bull market for a bullish coin like this, like Rndr, well, this is actually pretty rare, and whenever you get an opportunity like this is definitely something to pay attention in towards and definitely grab that opportunity with both hands. I think that whenever Rndr is going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, it is going to be absolutely exploding. So while yes, in the short term Rndr might be consolidating just a little bit more, well, in that longer term definitely pay attention also, because of course we have been having this Apple news event, and because of that a lot of hype has been getting in for Rndr. We have actually been seeing Rndr surging from $7.50 all the way up towards the $11, but what is going to be extremely important is that later, probably in this summer, GPT-5 is going to be getting released, and whenever GPT-5 is going to be getting released, well, I think it will be creating lots of hype for the entire AI narrative. Still, the AI narrative in my opinion is quite undervalued, but whenever GPT-5 is going to be getting released, well, definitely it is going to be bringing up a lot of hype, just like has happened with the official Apple event at the time, and I think at that point, whenever this news is going to be getting released, it will be even bigger, and then we are going to be seeing even bigger price surges. So definitely be aware of that. I do not think that this consolidation is going to be lasting very long. Having a look into what's my price target for Rndr, yes, I do think that still it can be easily reaching $100 this cycle, which is going to be quite insane already. Now, I actually do think that still Rndr could actually be reaching up to $200. So that is going to be absolutely insane, but you have to understand that Rndr is that new shiny coin in a new shiny narrative, AI narrative, with lots of momentum behind it, with a good community, with good news events actually lined up. So in my opinion, you do not want to be underestimating this, and I have seen it happening before in previous cycles. Well, this thing can go absolutely parabolic, and whenever we go parabolic, well, definitely we can be reaching that $100 mark, maybe even that $200 mark, and I have seen it happening before, but these things actually do happen. So definitely get ready right now, in my opinion. In that short term, right now is going to be the time to be paying attention, and also what you need to realize is that this bull market will be even bigger, and because this bull market is going to be even bigger than the last bull market, I definitely do think that 40 billion US dollar valuation for an altcoin like this is going to be quite rightly valued. Now, I would not be surprised to see a Rndr actually trading at $200. That's what I've been saying, but to be honest, realistically, I do think that $100 is going to be way more realistic. So definitely pay attention right now. This is just going to be a quick warning about Rndr's price action, so make sure to push up the like button, and guys, I'll see you in another video later.